Hello and welcome to Soul Tarot by Nehal. This is going to be a reading for the period of February 2025 for the zodiac sign Scorpio. Please remember this is a general reading and it may or may not resonate with you. If it resonates, let me know in the comments down below. If not, skip this one. If you feel any of your loved ones could benefit from this reading, kindly share the channel with them as well. If you wish to stay connected with me on any other social media platform, or would want to support this channel in any form, the links are down in the description below. Kindly check them out. So thank you so much and let's begin. Okay, interesting. So I see that in this period of month of February, a lot of things that were not really good are going to slowly, gradually get into your favor. So if things were not going as per what you wanted, things may start shifting and start going as per what you wanted. One is that. The other thing is that yes, if there were any difficult situations which you were not able to kind of deal with, or it was getting difficult maybe to deal with, not that you were not able to, but now slowly it felt that this just seems to be getting more and more difficult kind of thing. So it's that now you will be in fact able to find some solution and overcome those challenges. So that is what I see, because again there is an whole attitude shift also that I see within you. So one phase of yours is also coming to an end where you were maybe looking at things from one angle only, and maybe there will be a perspective shift, or there will be some sort of a shift that will come your way which will completely change something within you, and you will have a different approach, due to which obviously the solutions will come in. But you seem to be like you're going to be that warrior, you're going to be that fighter and not give up, and hence also universe may start providing you with the necessary information, or necessary whatever necessary basically to get solutions. Universe will start providing you with that, just because of your whole perspective shift, the attitude shift and all of it. So that's a beautiful thing. And yes, hence you will get victory. You will see things really changing and shifting, and by the end of the month you will be really at peace with these things as well. Plus I feel that now with the negative situations that maybe you were going through so far, one thing that I will definitely add here is you yourself is coming from a place that okay, you're going to look at things in very different light. Hence that negative thoughts will also start reducing. If there were many of them, then yes, the negative way of thinking will start getting clear, and you will start seeing yourself thinking also much more positively and differently. Let's dive deeper and see what is coming for you in the different aspects of your life. Okay, so first things first, there are some going to be interesting connections either coming your way, which could be beneficial for you, or there could be something nice that will be coming your way. Again, if any of you have been struggling with some kind of expressing yourself, especially emotionally, I feel that you're getting to a better place that way also. So there will be a whole different shift that will come from within you itself. So that is a good thing. Other than that, if you were someone who was looking forward to have better what do we say financial savings, So I would just say is that's a great idea to do so and all of it, and you will achieve your goals. While things may seem to be impossible, a lot of things that you're going to achieve are going to be like, things that you maybe were feeling that they are going to be the most difficult in the month of February. But like I said, are getting into the warrior space. Like, you're going to fight, you're not going to give up. And due to that, you will get the results that you're looking forward to. Having said that, one thing I definitely will add here is that if at all you have got into a space where you are not at all, like, even, you're so focused on achieving that a specific kind of a savings for yourself, that if you are getting into the energy of not spending anything unless and until anything urgent, don't do that, because that is blocking your energy right now. So again, it doesn't mean you go and spend the money you want, but make sure that you take care of yourself in a very small way. And this has to come for yourself, because again, you may be doing it willingly for any of your loved ones, and no doubts on that. But when it comes to yourself, somewhere you're blocking that energy, because here you are doing the savings and you are only blocking your own energy. Hence the flow is getting disturbed. So maybe a small amount of something, maybe it could be just in going and spending on a cup of coffee that you really really enjoy. It could be that, it could just be, I don't know, maybe just some street food or something that you really enjoy. That, so again, like I said, it doesn't have to be a big amount, it has to be more of something that you really enjoy. It could be as bare minimum as, maybe in Indian currency, you can say maybe 20-30 rupees. It's totally fine. But yeah, that's what I meant. In terms of your work, first thing, yes, definitely, I definitely feel that there is going to be a lot more socializing happening, maybe due to your work, or there could be a lot of lineups of meetings happening for you due to your work in the month of Feb. So one thing I see is that, but irrespective, you are definitely achieving or maybe bringing clarity on something in terms of finances, in term for your work life, so definitely that is coming to clarity also. Again, there could be some backlog of your work, that, or some work that, has been getting prolonged, for a while now. And because of, certain decisions not being made, that is getting, that's taking too long to finish. So yes, you may have to make some important decisions when it comes to your work related stuff. Now the beauty of it is that whether you choose anything, you are reaching where you want to reach. Only thing is which path you're choosing, is that is the choice that you'll have to make in this duration. Now that could be even associated with certain decisions which will either complete your project, or it could be something related to finance, or it will be something like whether I should change my job or not. It could be something that could be like, should I just continue with my job, or do a job and a side hustle, or I completely quit my job and completely like convert my side hustle into my main business. So something of that sort. But important decisions are getting made, and they will bring some newness also, because it could even be that your current job is providing you a promotion, but at the same time you're getting a new job opportunity also. So it is again a very important decision, maybe because that job could be your dream job, and this is where the promotion could be the promotion that you were looking forward to. So such situation could also be. So yeah, you'll have to figure that out. But yeah, seems like that is something that's coming your way. Some important decision for sure in terms of your work. Okay, so like I said, yes, you are being so engrossed in work and making sure that, because somewhere down the line, obviously, our work affects our finances. So you are so focused on work that, to make sure you achieve your financial goals, reach your financial, whatever you're looking forward to, basically, in terms of your finance. So you're so engrossed in it, and things are going to happen. But I would just say that make sure you're taking care of yourself. If you need to rest for a while, don't hesitate, rest, and then come back with double energy and keep going. Because yes, you will keep needing good energy all this while to deal with everything. So, and that will lead to better finances no matter what. But the better the energy, the better the journey of getting the finances on track as you want. There could be something that you are thinking about when it comes to your finance. Now, it could be investing in something altogether, or something around it where you want to do something associated with your finances. Now, it could be, again, like I said, investing, buying something very important and big. So you've been thinking about it for really long. So if at all there is something like that, it has to be something that you've been thinking about for it for really long. It should not be something that you recently felt that you need to buy. Not in, at least not in last I don't think anything in last 2 3 months. In fact, it could be something that you have been planning for much before that. So there is something of that sort. And the thing over here is that you need to take some action towards it. Now, when I say action towards this, I'm not suggesting go and buy, because it could be something big and important, and you need to be very wise, which you already have the wisdom to see that. But if it all, when I say action, if need be, you need to take the necessary information. You need to get the necessary information for yourself. You need to get whatever necessary for those decisions. You need to do it, and then move forward accordingly. Okay, Scorpio. In terms of your love, romance, and relationships, a few things. Let's talk first about people who are already committed. That is, either they are, either you are already dating, engaged, or married. Uh, okay, few things. First thing is that maybe there were certain challenges that you were facing up until now in your relationship. So those challenges are going to be a thing of a past soon. uh, there is going to be some sort of a new beginning coming into your life. New phases definitely coming in. New different experiences in your relationships are coming, which are positive. So nothing to worry as such. But yes, there is newness in terms of relationship that is coming. Maybe you guys were having a very stagnant same life, that you may be living, and you must be feeling that there needs to be some fun now. And you may just plan maybe to an outing, or it could be that you just plan a date night with your partner, and or maybe with your partner and your kids and all, or maybe some trip, something, a short trip maybe. So yeah, just to give some newness into the relationship, you all may do something of that sort. But again, if you are someone who wants to move into the next phase of your relationship, that is also a thing that you guys are going to come down to. And whether you want to get onto or not, the only thing here I will say is, don't let emotions overpower you. Take a very practical and sound decision. So, of course, consider your emotions, but don't ignore practicality either. You can't take everything, every decision emotionally. If you take a decision with just your emotions, it may actually even drain you off and make you feel like, too tired of everything. So don't do that, because while you're bringing in the new, make sure your energy is, no matter what, in a good spirit to attract that. But yeah, if you're looking forward to move into the next phase of your relationship, chances are really high to do so. Of course, it entirely depends on both of your decisions. So it cannot be that one is deciding. It has to be a mutual decision between the two of you, and that may involve some interaction, some communication also, which may not be like that like basically you may have to go through some uncomfortable communication. But again, that is bringing in a very different fresh perspective between the two of you, and at the same time it is giving a very new direction to the whole thought process and your relation and everything, which is again in a positive light, so it's all good, right? So just go ahead. If there is any confusion and misunderstanding, even resolve that. It is a decently good time to do so. um, Having said that, people who are singles, I would say that again, if you are someone who's looking, because some of you are actually struggling with the decision itself, that whether you should actually get into the dating scenes or yet stay single for some time. So what are you wanting to do is a choice that you will have to make entirely. It is a little challenging thing for you to come to a conclusion, but yes, you have to decide, because it is a time of decision for you, whatever you want to choose for the month of February. But yes, you have to make your choice. Yes, again, if at all you're looking forward to dating, yes, new people coming into your life, there is newness coming into your life, a new journey is altogether beginning for you. Only thing is, I would again add here is, you make sure that you are not being completely emotional. See things for the way they are. Use your practical mind and your emotions and everything, and then make your decision of what to do, just so that you don't have the same experience as you had in the past. Maybe in your past, whatever you've dealt with has really drained you off, and maybe at times even taken you into a negative space. So to avoid all those kind of things, make sure you are getting firstly into all of this with a very peaceful mind, with a peace in yourself. So if need be, first do the healing and then get to into relations. But yes, if you're looking forward to it, this is going to be a time where you may come across people, at least two good choices, and you may have to obviously make a decision that whom you would want to, if first thing, if you want to take forward with any of those two, and if yes, which one. So that is also one another decision that you will have to make. All in all, new phase is about to begin into your life. Joy is coming in, definitely good days ahead. There are going to be sudden opportunities that will come your way while you are least expecting. You're becoming more confident in yourself. Growth is also what you're attracting. There could be even some knowledge growth that I see that you can attract in this period. Either if you want to study something, or gain knowledge into something, you may get such an opportunity also, where you will be able to do so. And some of the challenges that were really really bothering you for some time now, seems that those challenges are going to be a thing of the past. I even see one more thing happening for you, is that now when you're going to look back at things, whatever challenges and all of that you've dealt with, now when you're going to look at those things, you're going to, well, look back at your life. Your perspective is like to look at it. Earlier, you were looking at it that, oh my God, look, I've gone through what. Now you are going to look at it as, wow, how far have I come? Look at it. What a journey, So the whole perspective shift is what I definitely see in February for you. It's time to take action. I think I told you that at one point, that yes, it's time to take action, and not just keep thinking. So yes, do what is necessary. Empathy. I'm open to seeing both sides of the situation. Again, this is giving me a clarity here and giving a reconfirming message that I'm open to seeing both side of the situation. I spoke about that in terms of relations also, that you are open to different perspectives. In the beginning also, I said there is a perspective shift, there is an approach shift. So again, it's like kind of giving the reconfirmation that you are here. It says both sides of the situation, but you are open for, like, to have a complete shift in terms of seeing any situation. So it is from every direction, not just both sides, is what I was trying to say. Sorry. Just a second. Okay, I thought some cards had flown. Surrender your need to control the outcome. Just be with life in the present moment. So yes, somewhere down the line, even surrender to the whomever you believe in, either it's universe, whatever energy you believe in, god, goddess, uh angels, whatever, but get into the space of surrender also. And again, more than that, the process of the outcome, we try to sometimes control too much of everything. So there needs to be a breather also towards certain things. Again, surrender to whatever information is also coming your way, because I said there will be certain things coming your way as well. So be open to that. That will, again, when you surrender, that's when you will actually get open to a larger world, larger universe, and larger uh, angles of seeing things. So yeah, that would also be helpful. Love to the moon and back. So again, something interesting is definitely happening over here. I would say that like altogether there's going to be a very different shift, and you're going to be loving whatever comes your way in the month of Feb, because again, it's more of like the kind of shift that you are having within you. And yeah, one thing I would add here is, please get onto the journey of self love if you're not doing it. That is very much necessary for everyone, in fact. So yes, do that. I choose peace. So yes, make sure you choose peace for yourself. It's like not for anyone else but for yourself. So one thing is that keep reminding yourself this, and affirmations, like I always say, are the best ways to get into a specific kind of a mindset or create an energy field around you. That also is what helps, right? So yeah. I'm worthy of the very best in my life. Again, be open in the space to receive. When you surrender, also, you get what is the very best for you through the universe. So, keep just using these affirmations and be in the space of receiving what you want or what you actually need currently into your life, to elevate yourself into the next level of your life as well, the next phase of your life. Very different message, I think, this time for Scorpio is what I am feeling right now. Actually, this time a lot of different messages are coming, but I felt so far Scorpio has got the most different this, I think it's the sixth year. Right now I've already done five, this is the sixth one. Again. Oops. I am happy. Today I choose to freely show the world my small and big reasons for happiness. I welcome others to bask in the glow of my joy. I would just say here is that is what is coming into your life. I told you there is positive shift coming into your life. And again, here it's more of, make sure you celebrate your small and big successes also. because that will attract a lot more positive things, a lot of more reasons for you to be happy about everything that's happening around you also. So definitely you're going to get an opportunity to really get onto a very different journey also in this time. It's like, again, you are even fighting all odds, and you're going to be like, again, like I said, you're going to be like a warrior, moving things aside, whatever comes your way. You're going to move everything around you and do the necessary. So that is what I see. So again, you are attracting growth as well. And if you do certain things the correct way, chances are that you'll really fly also. So you will get opportunity to at least give that kickstart to your journey into the next phase. Having said that, I would again add here also is that make sure you are doing your spirituality practices very well, because they are going to be of some real help to you. It's like adding fuel to the kickstart that you're going to have. So make sure whatever practices you do, it could be one, it could be many, whatever it is, try to do as much as possible. And more than doing as many as possible, try to at least stay consistent with even one of it. That is going to really, really be next level of help. Don't let a bad day trick you into thinking you have a bad life. Ali Newman. So yes, again, if at all there have been few bad days or one bad day, don't let anything make you believe that it's a bad life. Again, you are also getting into the warrior kind of a mindset and approach. So don't let such small things then affect you. Make sure you keep your thought process a certain way, so that nothing can harm you or affect you so much. Discovering what you don't want is just as important as finding out what you do. Elaine Wilthroth. I hope I have pronounced the name right. But anyways, um, yes, discovering what you don't want is as important as finding out what you do. So that's, yes, very, very important. And actually that just helps you to get clarity that at least this is what you don't want. So then you can always bring clarity. Okay, since I don't want this, it becomes clear that this is exactly now what I want. I think this is one trick that I even teach a lot of people, that when they say I really don't know what I want, okay, then I'm like, write down what you don't want. So yeah. I focus on the positive and let go of negativity. So great to again see this. Let go of all the negative thoughts. I think it's such things have been said continuously. So make sure you use these affirmations to stay in that mindset and attract the best for yourself in the month of February. I have added this new thing that we'll be checking, one empowering message for you for the month of February 2025. So let's see what is the message, what is the empowering message coming for you for the month of February 2025. Courage. Show up with a whole heart. Bravely lead with your heart. Show up for the unexpected. Face what you cannot control or do not understand. Do the things that scare you. Again, courage. I have been saying from the beginning, you're getting into the fighting spirit, you're getting into the warrior spirit. And this just confirms again, make sure you're bringing the best energy of courage in the month of February for yourself. This is amazing, a reconfirmation. And it says that bravely lead with your heart, show up for the unexpected, face what you cannot control and do not understand, do the things that scare you, look into the eyes of any kind of fear or any kind of unexpected things. You are, see, whatever it is, courage is what is going to help you to overcome everything in the month of February. So be courageous, that's it. No. Okay, so here I would say let's say no to anything that doesn't serve you ideally. And again, don't be scared is what I would say. So say no to all sorts of fears. Be courageous. So if anyone is trying to, again, one more thing, yes, if anyone is trying to even cross any boundaries that you feel uncomfortable with, say a no where you feel that you don't want to do. Don't say maybe. Just say a no if you feel so. Bring in that courage, take that leap of faith, do what is necessary for yourself. So yes, don't hesitate to say no when and where necessary. That itself is sometimes the biggest courageous thing that you can do, because a lot of us are struggling today in to say a no to a lot of things. But I read this somewhere recently, the moment you say no to the things you don't want to do, you say yes to the things that you want. So yes, I hope you do resonate for this reading. Let me know in the comment section, did you resonate or not? Did this reading help you or not? If you have any suggestions, then let me know that as well. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that this, February onwards, I am even starting a new series that I'm going to be putting monthly readings, love readings. Monthly love readings is what I plan to put up. Let's see what the messages come in on that front as well. We'll see how it goes by, because this is going to be my first time. And yeah, if you're interested in these, please do like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss on any of the future videos. And if you stayed up until now, thank you so much and see you in the next reading. Bye bye.